I watched my video before. It's one of the ZHIYUN video. If you guys check out my channel like before, I think this is like the third video I record ever. I thought it's gonna be really bad because at that time I don't know how to use the camera. I don't understand focal length. I don't understand aperture, like anything. I use a GoPro. I bumped all the ISO. You know, GoPro when they bump the ISO, it looks like shit. So I thought it's gonna be so bad, like you can't even look at it. But when I look back, it's actually not that bad. It's pretty good. So I'll put the video link in description if you guys want to check it out. Because I'm so boring. I just click it. I was like, this is gonna be so bad, it's gonna be so embarrassed, because that's what happened when I usually watch one of my video before, but it's actually so decent. I mean, before. So if you guys can check it out, I'll put the link in the description and you guys just click that and you guys can see the video before. So gonna having a little bit shooting, a little bit like small project today, so I'll take my camera back tomorrow. So charging all the equipment, make sure to be ready. So here we go. This camera gimbal is so heavy that I can't really put in that camera back. It's so big and massive that putting this, I can't put anything anymore. Can't put my MacBook, cannot put anything. So I have to leave it here, and if I need a gimbal, I'll use the Osmo Mobile, and it's my iPhone. These are from last year. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it. I don't even want to remember what happened last year. Before, all my stuff is literally just randomly throwing into my backpack, and now it's a lot organized. This camera bag is not big enough for me or for what I expected, but at least it's working for now. It's pretty cheap. It's like 20-40 bucks on Amazon. So here it is. This is all the setup over here. So that's my L series with my USR. Right now I'm filming. USR is charging over here, so that's the battery is charging, and this is the lens, which is 13-35 to 2.8, the one I use a lot on. And this one has two lenses in this section here. This is 50mm f1.8 for shallow depths of field, and this one is my 18-135 f 3.5. This is a zoom lens. I can get kind of like, this is an API-C lens, which is 1.6 crop factor, so it gives me about 200mm of zoom. And this is the Osmo Mobile 2. This section is normally for the drone, but my MAVIC 2 taking to repair, so now I just put my the Mobile 2 here. And this is the Canon USR, the full frame camera, really good at low light. Right now, if you see a lot of noise on the camera or on this image right now, because I'm not filming on the USR, that's why. This is a little bit audio, and yeah. It's kind of weird to just take a camera back to school, because I literally barely put any school stuff in here. Majority of my stuff is camera. Like I carry a camera, I do film, I do film class, I do everything. I need this kind of all the equipment with me as much as possible, so that's why I have it. Alright, at this point I realized something is like I have a lot of play I haven't played before, so I guess we should probably go back to a month ago when I was in China. So here we go. Boom. Alright guys, leaving today, heading to the airport right now, so here we go. It's 4 in the morning right now. I just woke up. The time zone difference. So tired. Sleeping time. Wake up at 4 o'clock again. Super hungry right now, so I got this. And this. And this. Now I gotta eat up. I think like it feels so weird, like all my formal talking to a camera are in this room, so I'm really trying to make like a difference, which not really staying in the first one background, but it didn't work that well. So the other thing is I'm actually gonna get a background real soon, so it's not gonna be this little boring background over here. I'm actually gonna get a good background, so oh my, I think, okay, my drone, I just got a message says my drone is finished repair, is shipping it back. So and I'm looking for that. So if you guys don't know, I crashed my MAVIC 2 Zoom a long time ago. I fixed it. It's $500 USD. So it's pretty expensive. So make sure I don't crash your drone or get a DJI Care. So now I got a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna do the homework. So here we go. I've really been working on all this stuff like till now. Still got so much stuff to do. Gonna edit this video after, then I'm gonna plan on shoot another one since I haven't really done any of the video before in a long time. And also I learned Photoshop, so hope this video gonna have a really decent thumbnail though. So wait guys, let me show you what I'm looking right now. So this is a really big deal for me because I usually so freaking psyched about every single Apple launch event. So tomorrow is September 10, which is Apple's September event. So here it is. So I'm really excited what's the iPhone 11 gonna look like. Even though I probably not gonna buy it, I might buy it, but not from the first few days. So I hope it doesn't look so bad because usually you see all these rumors. Right now you can see all these rumors, render picture on the internet right now. It doesn't look too well. Apparently, I hope that's not the way that Apple usually design their stuff, since they usually make it so good. So I really hope they don't disappoint me too much. So really excited to see what it looks like. Yeah, and let's see it tomorrow morning 10 a.m. I'm in school. I'm gonna skip the school. I'm not gonna skip the school, but I'm gonna watch the launch event when I was in class. So funny. So I'm really sorry that if I can't really show you guys. So I'm really sorry if I can't show you guys like a lot of footage I was recording during the day or anything, since I'm not really into like making that much video. Like I don't have that much time for it right now, so I might not really preventing like making more video like I was before. And so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to make a vlog as much as possible, but not focusing on quality. So I'm sorry, but I'll try to upload as much as possible. See you guys in the next video, and peace.